Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about carrots, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with carrots. So if you're looking for some menu or meal or recipe ideas using carrots, something a little different, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, carrots go well with almonds, beans in general, but especially black beans, broad beans, and green beans, beef, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, edamame, ham, hazelnuts, lentils, macadamia nuts, nuts in general, peanuts and peanut butter, peas, pecans, pine nuts, pork, seafood, seeds, especially poppy seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds, also sesame paste, snap peas, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. Woo, long list. It's more like what don't they go with? In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with carrots include artichokes, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, broccoli rabe, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, celery, celery root, chilies, chives, cucumbers, fennel, garlic, ginger, greens of all types, leeks, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radishes, root vegetables in general, shallots, spinach, tomatoes, turnips, watercress, sweet potatoes, Swiss chard, and zucchini. In the way of fruits that go well with carrots, we have apples, apricots, avocados, citrus fruits in general, coconut, dates, dried fruits in general, lemons, limes, olives, oranges, pineapple, pomegranates, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products that go well with carrots, we have barley, bulgur, corn, couscous, farro, millet, oats, pasta, quinoa, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods that go well with carrots, there's butter and browned butter, cheese, especially cheddar cheese, cream cheese, feta cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan, ricotta, and Swiss cheese, coconut butter, coconut milk, cream, creme fraiche, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's honey, maple syrup, miso, molasses, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil, especially coconut oil, olive oil, peanut, sesame, and walnut oils, pesto of any sort, soy sauce, sugar, especially brown sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic, cider, red wine, rice wine, and white wine vinegars. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.